Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome to my second video and my second story for you. I hope that you enjoyed the first story. My first story was about an animal. Yes, what animal was it, guys? I can't hear you. Yes, it was a dinosaur. And in this video, I'm going to read you a story about a pirate. Look at this picture. And our story's title is Pirate Patch and the Treasure Map. Okay, so this boy is Pirate Patch and he has got an animal. Look at this animal. What colors can you see here, guys? And what animal is it? Please write your answers in the comment for me, okay? Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Let's get started, guys. This is a pirate ship, the Jolly Roger. Look at the ship. And meet the Captain Blackbeard. He's a very bad man. So, guys, look at the ship and look at this man. His name is Captain Blackbeard. Look at this part. The color is black and it is beard, yes. Arr! Let's go. The young pirates work all day and all night. Work, pirates! Work! They are cold and hungry. Look at these poor pirates. They are all cold and hungry. They want to eat. Yes. And this is Pirate Patch. I want treasure! Every day he looks, but he cannot find any treasure. So everybody look at the captain. He cannot find any treasure. One day, Pirate Patch sees a bottle in the ocean. So look at this image. This is the ocean. This is the ocean. And this is the bottle. Hey guys, look. What do you see in the bottle? Is it a letter? I don't know. He takes the bottle. There is a map in it. Pirate Patch and Polly Parrot look at the map. What is it? It's a treasure map. Hey guys, look. This is a map and this map shows a treasure. That night, Pirate Patch quietly finds his friends. They are all sleeping. Yes. What? Shh, come with me. Pirate Patch and his friends take a small boat. They look carefully at the map. Where is the treasure? There! Look at the small boat, Pirate Patch and his friends. In the morning, they find the island. The sharks are circling. So look at the ocean. These animals are, yes, they are sharks. Help! The young pirates are scared. Suddenly, a shark is next to the boat. Pirate Patch thinks quickly. Look at the shark. He throws the bottle in its mouth. Crunch! Now the pirates can go to the island, but Captain Blackbeard is following them. Oh no, it's Captain Blackbeard! Look, he is coming. But then a shark bites Captain Blackbeard's boat. He's in the water. Look at this image. Now he doesn't have any boat. He is in the water and he cannot swim. He cannot swim. Goodbye, Captain Blackbeard. Pirate Patch and his friends arrive at the island. It is beautiful. They eat fish and bananas. Look at the picture. Yummy, my favorite. Yummy. So they are eating fish and bananas. Yes. They read the map. Can they find the treasure? 10 steps right. 5 steps left. The pirates find the treasure under a tree. Now they are happy and rich. Good job, Pirate Patch. Good job. So guys, look. Now they have got the treasure. Yes, in the end they have found the treasure. And now they are very rich. Very good. So everybody, the story is finishing now. Thank you for listening to me. And with this video, you are going to receive also a PDF, and there are some activities in the PDF file. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day and please stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.